Hey guys, Logan from Impacted Media here. Wanted to go over another fun project we have in the works here today. This is our buddy Josh on Instagram at Josh Loves Drifting. This is his Pro-Am Pro 2 build for the upcoming 2019 season. Previously, Josh has been driving this car. It had an LS1. Nice basic setup. Had just a basic cage set up in it beforehand, just that way he could participate in the local and out-of-state tandem events. But this year he's planning on doing a lot of different Pro-Am events across the entire U.S. for the most part. I mean, he's going to be traveling just about anywhere there's going to be a Pro-Am event at. So anyways, he decided to go crazy, just balls out, and make the nastiest car that he can to best fit the needs that he wants. The car was built actually right next door at our friend's After Hours Auto Sports. So beforehand, like I said, this thing had an LS1 in it. Now we switched it over to an LS3. A lot of goodies going on in there. This one has the full Radium fuel system, fuel cell, pretty much everything that you can imagine from Radium. Still on a stock ECU, but as far as the electronics go, he's got a bunch of really cool features in here. Raceback dash, arc panel. He decided to rhino line the entire interior to make it easy to clean out. He is currently waiting on a GSR dog box to come on in for this thing. So honestly, once this thing is done, it's going to be an absolute beast. I mean, everything that you can possibly want in a good drift car. I don't know if you can see that. The infamous S for the Sicky Winters rear end. And then, just since Josh is a man of action and likes to plan ahead, he's got an entire fleet of extra vehicles just in case something happens as this one. So we're going to go ahead and get the graphics finished up, get everything ready to print, ready to laminate, and then ultimately get this thing stuck by the end of the day. Stay tuned.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Cam from Impacted Wraps, and I just finished up our buddy Josh's drift car here, and it totally transformed the look with the new Big Duck Club wide body the guys over at After Hours put on. So what we did here is we cut the sponsor logos in a gloss film, so it has a little, so it stands out a little bit more from the satin finish on the wrap. I think it added a nice little touch to it. And then for enders, we put this little tagline on the ducktail. You know you want my lovin', because his name is Josh Love. So yeah, that about wraps that one up. Make sure you stay tuned and check out Josh going for his Pro 2 license this season. And then make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the YouTube channel, because we're going to try to keep these videos rolling on a weekly basis. So yeah, let us know what you think.